Looking for a movable kitchen island with trash storage? As always, check the link below for the best price. The ONBRILL 60 kitchen island is equipped with a hidden trash storage cabinet, helping you keep your kitchen organized and free of clutter. With its mobile design, foldable drop leaf, and built-in power outlet, this island is the ultimate kitchen companion. Comes with a hidden trash storage cabinet. Keep your kitchen tidy and clutter-free with a concealed trash storage cabinet. Use the Move the Island wherever needed, and use the locking brakes to keep it stable during use. Spacious storage includes 2 large cabinets, drawers, and side racks for storing cookware, utensils, and kitchen gadgets. To save space when not in use, with a foldable drop leaf, expand your countertop when needed and fold it down to save space when not in use. Charge all your devices or power kitchen appliances using the built-in outlet with 2 USB ports and 2 3-pin sockets. Looking for a movable kitchen island with trash storage? Click the link below to get the ONBRILL 60 kitchen island at the best price now.